All common in the Flint River. All but the center one, we would call it Eastern Elliptio. And this is a group, this one, and that one is a group that the taxonomists are working on and are very hard to distinguish in the field. This one in the center is also very common in the Flint River. It's called the elephant ear for reasons that I'll show you in a second, because it looks like an elephant ear. And some of these are really big and round. It's a really heavy armored shell, and it does really well in swift rocky areas in the river. So we sort of consider that one a shoal specialist, where you have good flowing water and rocks tumbling around. That's where you find the elephant. I've always thought that the Flint River was really a hidden gem in Georgia, and especially the lower Flint really didn't get the recognition that it deserved as a special place and a unique place. And I think we're, with the Riverkeeper and others working on the river, I think we're starting to gain an appreciation for what a special river this really is. So there are freshwater mussels. There are between 20 and 30 species in the Flint River Basin. People that have heard of them are aware sometimes that they're indicators of water quality, and historically they've been used, their presence has been used to decide whether the stream or the river they're in has good water quality, not polluted and things like that. Mussels play a very important role in streams. They filter feed, which means that they draw water through their bodies and take out particles and bacteria, and that is their food source. And so as they filter the water, they improve the water quality. Mussels tend to live in dense beds, and so when you have a lot of them, they are essentially filtering and purifying the water constantly. So even though they're small and may only filter a gallon or two of water each day, when you multiply them by the thousands, they can really clean up a river. Those beds are actually important because they perform, or they act as habitat for other aquatic life. Microbes, algae, bugs live in and around the mussel beds, and then that serves as a concentrated foraging area for fish, including some of the game species like brim and bass that people care about. So mussels you can think of as being a foundation species in streams and rivers.